I'm going to teach you how to read in Korean in 5 minutes through this video. You have to do is watch this video. In this Korean alphabet, it's called Hangul. A single letter is created by combining the consonants and the vowels. These single letters combine with each other to form meaningful words. So let's start with consonants and vowels.
새,
It means a bird.
새. 시옷, 시옷.
This one is seos. It has s sound. Because it sound like ski.
스, 스. 에, 에.
This one is a. It sound like after.
에, 에.
Combined.
새, 새. 아기,
It means a baby.
아기. 이응, 이응.
This one is iung. This is the nothing. So when nothing is at the beginning of a character, it's silent, you hear nothing. It's silent at the beginning. When it's at the end of a character, it's the ing sound, so either silent or ing.
응, 응. 아, 아.
This one is ah. It sound like far.
아, 아. 기억, 기억.
This one is giyeog. It has gu sound. It sound like gun.
그, 이, 이.
This one is e. It has e sound. It sound like feel.
이, 이.
Combined.
아, 기. 아기, 아기. 포도,
It means a grape.
포도. 피읍, 피읍.
This one is piup. It has p sound. It sound like play.
프, 프. 오, 오.
This one is o. It sound like over.
오, 오. 디귿, 디귿.
This one is digud. It has d sound. It sound like door.
드, 드.
Once again.
오, 오.
Combined.
포, 도. 포도, 포도. 친구,
It means a friend.
친구. 치읓, 치읓.
This one is chiyo. It has ch sound. It sound like champion.
스, 스. 이, 이.
This one is e. It has e sound. It sound like feel.
이, 이. 니은, 니은.
This one is ni-un. It has n sound. It sound like nose.
느, 느. 기억, 기억.
This one is giyeog. It has gu sound. It sound like gun.
그, 우, 우.
This one is u. It has oo sound. It sound like moon.
우, 우.
Combined.
친, 구. 친구, 친구. 고구마,
It means a sweet potato.
고구마. 기억, 기억.
This one is giyeog. It has gu sound. It sound like gun.
그, 오, 오.
This one is o. It sound like over.
오, 오.
Once again. It has gu sound.
그, 우, 우.
This one is oo. It has oo sound. It sound like moon.
우, 우. 니음, 니음.
This one is mium. It has mu sound. It sound like middle.
무, 무, 아, 아,
This one is ah. It sound like far.
아, 아,
Combined.
고, 구, 마, 고구마, 고구마.
Okay. If you want to know more, I will write down the link in the below comments. Thank you.